story is clear, and probably we can look at a better change and an impact and stuff. So my humble appeal is, or my humble request is, please do not give up on your belief. Let's live with a purpose and stuff. We are all praying for it. We are all in it together and stuff, and we can make it happen and all that. And we have to just work together as a team and not think about the differences and the competition between each other and stuff. So all those terms are great when you're kind of in an industry of a certain kind, or the mindset you hold in sports and stuff. But it's all right to flush all of those and kind of be in a cohesive or a collaborative state of mind. And caring and warmth and joy for anything and everything definitely elevates and improves your life condition and stuff. So if you want to be happy also, always a good idea to be more caring and being more forthcoming and warm. After all, whose life will change for the better? Yours, right? Imagine you're sitting in a room and nobody talks to you. Going on a street, nobody talks to you. You're not well, nobody talks to you. You won an award, nobody congratulates you. You do great work and come back, nobody notices that. So it can be sad for some. So the best is to kind of give up all your just drop the walls and start accepting and being a part of the collective community and stuff. So jkapani@gmail.com, justinKapani.im@gmail.com. And let me leave you on this note: what you give to yourself. What you do not give, you give up. There is no reason, or there is no story or no excuse to fight violence with violence, hate with hate, dislike with dislike. Always a good idea to be engaged in random acts of beauty and kindness, where you harbor and promote the opposite, and as a result of that, you heal the world, make it a better place. Heal the world. Well, I've got a bad throat, so I've got to kind of keep the song short. But think of it like that, do some donation, do some charity, meet some people, play some music, do your stuff in your own way, and forget what the rest of the world is doing for once, and focus on your own life and your own purpose. And why are you here? Everybody's here for a reason or a purpose. It's just not about brand building and you know um, you know empire building and industry work and your marketing campaigns or business campaigns or meeting personalities and just getting noticed and getting photo shoots done, or just kind of trying to get accolades and build them up and build yourself up and stuff. There's a lot more behind the scene that you must engage in. So if you like this, follow me on Instagram and on